Number of attempts. A. Every candidate appearing at the examination who is otherwise eligible, shall be permitted 6 attempts at the examination, provided that this restriction on the number of attempts will not apply in the case of scheduled castes and scheduled tribes candidates who are otherwise eligible. Provided further that the number of attempts permissible to candidates belonging to other backward classes, who are otherwise eligible, shall be 9. The relaxation will be available to the candidates who are eligible to avail of reservation applicable to such candidates. Provided further that a physically handicapped will get as many attempts as are available to other non-physically handicapped candidates of his or her community, subject to the condition that a physically handicapped candidate belonging to the general category shall be eligible for 9 attempts. Necessary action to make corresponding changes in respective rules, regulations pertaining to various services is being taken separately. The relaxation will be available to the physically handicapped candidates who are eligible to avail of reservation applicable to such candidates. Note: I. An attempt at a preliminary examination shall be deemed to be an attempt at the civil services examination. 2. If a candidate actually appears in any one paper in the preliminary examination, he or she shall be deemed to have made an attempt at the examination. 3. Notwithstanding the disqualification/cancellation of candidature, the fact of appearance of the candidate at the examination will count as an attempt. V. Restrictions on applying for the examination. A candidate who is appointed to the Indian Administrative Service or the Indian Foreign Service on the results of an earlier examination and continues to be a member of that service will not be eligible to compete at this examination. In case such a candidate is appointed to the IFS after the preliminary examination of Civil Services Examination 2017 is over and he or she continues to be a member of that service, he or she shall not be eligible to appear in the Civil Services Main Examination 2017 notwithstanding her having qualified in the Preliminary Examination 2017. Also provided that if such a candidate is appointed to IFS after the commencement of the Civil Services Main Examination 2017 but before the result thereof and continues to be a member of that service, he or she shall not be considered for appointment to any service post on the basis of the result of this examination, viz. Civil Services Examination 2017.